everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this tutorial I will be showing you guys how to download FIFA 23. So it's gonna be really basic. All you need to do is just open your web browser, and then type Steam in the search bar. And then you need to install Steam. So click on here and then install Steam, and then after that just create an account. So after that just go to the Steam. And then in the search bar, all you need to do is just type FIFA 23 and then click on it. And then in here, all you need to do is just click on the select a subscription and then choose one of this. And then click on add to cart. Go to the view my cart. Click on the continue payment. And then in here, you need to just choose the payment options. And then just fill up your information and then click on continue. So after you buy the game, all you need to do is just go to your library and then you need to find FIFA 23 and then just click on install. So this is how to download FIFA 23. See you guys in the next tutorial.